Ever thought what an arts project mixed with a culinary experience looks like? The answer is the accordion potatoes recipe that I'm about to show you today. Basted with garlic butter and sprinkled with Parmesan cheese, these potatoes will definitely stand out. Hello and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we'll be cooking potatoes in a more interesting and artsy way, but make no mistake, they are super delicious and crispy and way easier than you think. But as always, before we begin, please hit like, subscribe, and tap on the notification bell. And now, let's get cooking. After measuring and preparing all our ingredients, let's rinse the dirt off from our 3 potatoes and then dry them. Also, if you end up using smaller potatoes, don't worry, because you can make bite-sized accordion potatoes, which actually fits better for a gathering with your friends and family. Now you'll need to slice off all 4 sides and tops of the potatoes until you get a large rectangle with no skin. If your potato is thicker than 1 inch, then you'll need to slice it lengthwise to create 2 thinner rectangles that have each ½ inch thickness. Now, to turn our potatoes into our special arts project, you'll need to place 2 wooden skewers on each long side of the potato rectangle to serve as a guide. And then using a nicely sharp knife, start cutting thin slices no larger than 1/4 inch wide. Once you're finished, flip the potatoes over and once again, place the 2 wooden skewers on the long sides of the rectangle, then begin thinly slicing diagonally around 45 degrees and make the slices be no larger than 1/4 inch wide. Now place the sliced potatoes in a bowl of cold water and let them soak for at least 30 minutes. This will help remove the starch and create crispier accordion potatoes. While we have our potatoes soaking, let's prepare our garlic butter. And to do this, let's add inside a microwave-safe bowl ½ cup of cubed salted butter and 4 minced garlic cloves. Then microwave it on low heat in intervals of 30 seconds until your butter has fully melted, which should take around 1 to 2 minutes. Be careful not to overheat it, or else it will splatter all over the microwave. And trust me, the cleanup will be a task of itself. Yeah. Let's then add inside that same bowl 1 tablespoon of finely chopped parsley and stir it well. If you're not too fond of garlic butter, you may try using different rubs and flavors for a different taste on the potatoes. Let's now preheat our oven to 375 degrees and then line a sheet pan with parchment paper. Then drain the potatoes and pat dry them with paper towels. Once they're nicely dry, grab your wooden skewers once again, and this time hold your potato firmly with one hand on the cutting board and use the other hand to stick the wooden skewer in the center of the potato. Then gently stretch out the potato starting from the bottom until you get a nice looking accordion, or hopefully something similar to it. Then let's place them in the prepared baking sheet, and using a basting brush, let's brush the potatoes on both sides with our butter mixture, while also lightly seasoning them with salt and pepper. Once you finish the seasoning, roast the potatoes for 35 to 40 minutes at the 375 degrees, and be sure to flip and baste the potatoes with the butter mixture halfway through. Once they have finished roasting, grate some Parmesan cheese over the potatoes and garnish them with finely chopped parsley, and serve with your favorite condiment of choice. Enjoy! If you like this recipe and want to read all its steps, be sure to check the description box below or simply head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes to find more flavorful meals just like this one. Please do not leave before you hit the like button and share this recipe with all your friends and family. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in our next video recipe.